FreeReels screencasting setup, how to mirror FreeReels to TV. If you want to mirror the FreeReels app, the shows and everything, and cast them to your TV like a smart TV or an Android TV, the FreeReels app itself does not have a cast feature. So the cast feature we will use will belong to our smartphone. So on your smartphone, nowadays most modern smartphone devices have the screen mirroring or the casting feature. You can simply swipe down your control panel settings and try to look for the option there, and then or you can go to open your settings, and within your settings just type in cast, and you can see the feature called screencast. In your case it could be screen mirroring or all of the other devices like that. So we want to select screencast option here, and you can see search for display devices. So make sure that your TV is turned on and ready to be casted, so you can select that. It will search for that display device. You enable all the permission and pair it with your TV. Once your smartphone has been paired with your designated TV, now you can go ahead and then cast any shows to TV. This way you can mirror FreeReels to TV. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.